no? Dali nga. Sarap guys. Ang sarap niya. Hindi naman siya masyado this. Snow World. Dito na kami guys sa snow. Sis, dito na sa snow. Ganda na ng snow. Ng bagyo. Daming mga games na ngayon guys. Dati pagpunta namin dito 2019, konti lang. ganda na ng safari dati. Pagpunta ko dito 2019, hindi pa ganito. Ganda, dami na ng pinagbago. Dami ng pinagbago mga...
You see here is the entrance of the safari. Here will be the exit. So what we can say, giraffe, tigers. Yes, and some small things. So all what we do, we enter the car, what we need, entrance ticket. One circle, only one way. So exit will be near the peacock. Near the peacock, it will be the exit. And then here, also small souvenir shop. I will be inside. What's it?
Ticket.
What ticket?
Safari.
No. No ticket. So now the moment when we enter safari, no need waiting for everyone. Just come to me, press by press. And then remember, before you go to the snow, ask me for the snow ticket. I will give one by one. So now everyone, you know where's the snow house?
Yes.
Yes, the snow house is here. Go there. First ticket, only one time use. So later, you return me the entrance ticket. I will give you one surprise. Okay? So now, here we enter, I think you'll be here. Someone asking the souvenir. Here. You can take one here, and you say, you can use $2. Not ours. One, two pieces. Capybara? It's only 20, so it's very, very cheap. $1 is very, very cheap. And also for the ride, some people asking me, we can play some ride? Yes. For example, after the glass week, there is one. When I go down, the queue is too long, waiting 1 hour and a half. But, you know we have our entrance ticket. If you are interested to ride, for example, outside the snow house, the flyer, your certificate can go. Now, all the ride is the package. Usually you go, you show the ticket. If you say nothing, it means okay. If you say something you cannot understand, it means cannot. Okay, clear? So, this is for the ride. Later, our meeting time, what's the meeting time? 4:45. We nearly have another 2 hours. So enjoy your time. Remember this one. Remember this one. So now show your entrance ticket. Here, by the way, when you buy the souvenir, you can pay Chinese, you can pay Hong Kong, you can pay anything. I need money. Okay, so now let's go. So when we enter, we'll be off time. Waiting for others to come to me, asking for the snow ticket. Show your entrance ticket, they will scan your QR code. Show the ticket. Show the entrance ticket. Show the entrance ticket.
Sis! Ha? Sis! Ano, mamaya na, babalik na lang tayo mamaya. Pagbalik na lang mamaya. May ganyan din sa ano, sa... Magbalik na lang siguro, sis. Marami yung dyan yung nakapila. Diyan maaga na ano pupunta. Ano to nang tawag dito? Ano pangalan nito? Ano nga pangalan nito? Palimutan. Okay, sis. Flamingo pala. Flamingo. Flamingo.
Flamingo yan.
Flamingo yan.
Inat-inat siya.
Dito sila. Oh. Bilis-bilisan lang natin. Mapicture-picture lang tayo video saglit.